Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Google form. First, navigate to Google Forms using your Google account or by typing forms. Google, into your browser. Once there, you will see options to start a new form. Choose a blank form to begin from scratch or select one of the many templates available. Immediately give your form a clear, concise title and add a short description to inform respondents about its purpose. This sets the stage for your data collection. Now, let's add questions to your form. You can choose from several types, including multiple choice, short answer, paragraph, checkboxes, and more. Use the floating toolbar on the right to quickly add new questions, duplicate existing ones, or delete them. Remember to mark essential questions as required to ensure you gather all necessary information. Personalize your form's look by selecting a theme, changing colors, and adding a header image for a professional touch. Next, explore the form settings. Click the gear icon to access options for collecting email addresses, limiting responses to one per person, and allowing respondents to edit after submission. You can also choose to show a progress bar or shuffle question order. Once responses start coming in, navigate to the Responses tab. Here, you can view individual submissions, see a summary of all data, and even link to a Google Sheet for advanced analysis. Finally, it's time to share your completed Google form. Click the Send button to share it via email, generate a shareable link, or get embed code for your website. You can also add collaborators by inviting others to edit the form with you, making teamwork simple. After collecting responses, thoroughly review the data. Use the built-in summary features or export to a spreadsheet to analyze your findings and draw meaningful conclusions.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.